Hi first grade friends. Today we are going to be doing Spin It, Spell It. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Thank you for writing your name at the top of your paper. Our phonics focus this week is the TH consonant digraph. TH says th. We are also focusing on the WH consonant digraph. WH says w. And we are focusing lastly on the CK ending. CK together says k. Looking at our spelling words over in our table, I'm going to highlight our phonics focus in each word. The first word is chick. It ends in that CK ending. Chick. Our next word is tick. Please finger stretch the word tick. T-I-K. Tick. Together, C and K make one sound. Our next word is the word clock. Please finger stretch the word clock. K-L-A-K. Clock. 4 sounds in the word clock. There's that CK ending. Our next word is the word path. Please finger stretch the word path. P-A-Th. TH consonant digraph. A consonant digraph is when two consonants are side by side, making one new sound. Our next word is the word that. We have the TH digraph at the initial part of the word. Let's finger stretch the word that. At that. Our next word is which. WH consonant digraph says w. W-I-Ch. Which. Our next word has the TH consonant digraph. TH says th. This is the word this. Th-I-S. This. Our next word is the word sock. S-A-W. Sock. We have a CK ending at the final part of the word. Our ninth word is the word when. Please finger stretch the word when. W-E-N. When. And our very last word is the word block. Please finger stretch the word block. B-L-O-C. Block. 4 sounds. We have that CK final ending. Okay, boys and girls, you need your paper clip to help spin. Whatever number you spin on, or spin and land on, you are going to write that word in the box until all of your boxes are filled. You're going to do great. Turn your paper over when you are done. All right, my friends, last week we learned about contractions. Contractions are 2 words combined together to create a new, shorter word. Contractions also have an apostrophe. An apostrophe takes place of 1 or more letters. So you can see in our first box we have cupcakes. One cupcake says is, the other not. We are going to be writing the contraction for is not. The contraction for is not is isn't. So my apostrophe is going to take place of the O. Isn't. And that apostrophe always floats above the dotted line. Our next box, the cupcakes say they are. Do you know what contraction comes from the words they are? That's right, it's there. So we are going to cross off that A because that is the place of the apostrophe. There. So you can see the A is gone and the apostrophe has taken its place. And you can pause the video if I'm going too fast. Our next box says we will. What contraction can we make with the words we will? That's right, we'll. We will go to the store. We'll go to the store. This time the apostrophe is going to replace two letters, the W and the I. So we have we, apostrophe, L, L, wheel. All right, you're doing great. Our next box says she is. She is nice. She's nice. So she is makes the contraction she's. I wonder what letter the apostrophe is going to replace. That's right, it's the I. We have the word she, apostrophe is. And boys and girls, you may have noticed, but the first word, most of the time, not always, stays the same. So with is not, isn't, is stayed the same. They are, the first word is they, and for there's the word they. We will, the first word is we. We will, the contraction is will, and there's we. She is, the contraction is she's. There's the word she, and the first word stayed the same. Now it doesn't always follow that rule, but most of the time. So our next word box says I am. The contraction is I'm. What letter did the apostrophe replace? That's right. Okay, our next box is will not. The contraction for will not is won't. I will not make poor choices. I won't make poor choices. The next box says he would. The contraction for he would is heed. Heed. This time the apostrophe is replacing four letters. The W, O, U, and L. So one big apostrophe replaces all those letters. Our next word box says does not. Can you think of the contraction for does not? That's right, it's doesn't. My first word stayed the same this time. And the O was replaced with the apostrophe. Then we have the next box says we are. We are friends. The contraction is were friends. The A was replaced by the apostrophe. They have. The contraction for they have is they've. The apostrophe replaced the H and the A. Please pause if I'm going too fast. Our next box says it is. What contraction can I make with the words it is? That's right. It's. It's. Our last word box, were not. The contraction is weren't. Way to go, boys and girls. I know contractions can be a little tricky. We will continue to be working on them, and you'll start to see them more in your reading as you grow as a learner and reader. Way to go, turn in your paper into the Daily 5 basket and move on to Lexia. Thank you.